All right, we're here in the great state of Texas for our RCS Motorsports. My guy, Rick Scott, man, a longtime friend of ours, always been doing great work to our cars. Here to show y'all the new addition to the camp, a SBE Nova, all still long glass Nova. See, today we just put a new Ken Smith subframe in. It's an old one over there. Just lock it up in here, man. Put just little supports he put in to hold the subframe in place. Just to get this car going off the ground, man. I'm gonna see this build from start to finish. Him and his guy Dylan in here, man, they do badass work, man. They're gonna complete this whole car. We got a 540 big block. It's gonna be a twin turbo, probably I'm gonna start off with 88s probably to begin with, just to get it going. And yeah, this is it right here, man. It's all good. Getting it started and going. Rich, got anything to say as far as the build or what y'all doing and all the parts y'all got in and where y'all about to start off?
So we're just getting started on it today. Like I said, we took the front end out so we could mock it up, get the motor in. It's literally a bare rolling chassis. So we're going to be doing all the electronics, full body harness, full fuel injection harness, headlights, brake lights, tail lights. You know, it's going to be a driver.
Right.
3-speed, 400. Once we get the motor in, we got new motor plate, mid plates, getting all new brakes, front and rear, TDMs on the front, TDMs on the back, new center section. We got to do the tin work in the back. It's getting carpet, some simple turkey seats. You know, we're not trying to get carried away, but it'll be nice. It's going to be all in paint, firewall will be smoothed out, all the tin work will be done. All new plumbing, hoses, fittings. I mean, it's not cheaping out, just doing it right. Buy once, cry once.
Right. Yep. So all that to say, man, this is day one. We groundbreaking right now in the build. So like I say, y'all gonna see it from start to finish.
So the whole thing's cut out already? Pretty close.
It was tied in a bunch of them.
Yeah. Over here is a new subframe going in. All new rack, all new everything. Powder coated. This one over here. Old subframe out, new one going in. New motor mounts.
Actually, lots of wrong.
Rick blowing his hot breath on it.
Sure. What? One of
That was it.
It's the too.
Who powder coated on that? Jeremy? Smith Racecraft.
What's that?
End of that rack.
For Nassonville, Brazil, for utilize is probably the front motor. Right on. It's from the beat. Enough.
So, Here goes a heartbeat for the Nova, man. It's a 540 big block, regular motor, little big block Chevy with a dark 360 head. It's nothing too extravagant on this. It's a big block Chevy. These big block Chevys make big boosts, so we're gonna throw this in there and see how it goes.